PDM Studio, the open, high-performance solution for managing product data. In this video we show the integration of PDM Studio with the CAD program Inventor from Autodesk. To do this, we create a new component with Inventor, directly from PDM Studio. We go to the new function in PDM Studio. The input wizard now supports us in creating the new component. We select the appropriate template to create an individual part. In the next step, the master data required for this template is requested. The data to be entered here is freely configurable. They can already be filled in automatically by other programs or offer possible input values via selection fields. Fields highlighted in red are mandatory fields that must be filled in. Otherwise it is not possible to continue the process. Once all the information has been entered correctly, Inventor opens automatically and we can start working in the CAD. We create a simple model so that we can then concentrate on how PDM Studio works and its functionality. There is a function bar directly in Inventor that can be used to operate PDM Studio from within the application. First, we save the model in PDM Studio. This means that colleagues who have the appropriate access rights can also see our new component and use it or edit it further. In PDM Studio, the model is automatically assigned to the active project. The green font color indicates that this document is currently being edited by this user. The preview and all data belonging to this document have been updated. Now we want to create a drawing for this 3D model. The corresponding function is selected and we are again guided through the process by a wizard. Again, we select the appropriate template. The data is transferred from the 3D model in accordance with the PDM Studio configuration. It is not necessary to enter data again. As soon as the wizard has been run through, we switch to Inventor to create the drawing. The title block has already been filled with all the relevant information. No manual reworking is necessary here either. We now also save the drawing in PDM Studio. The document can be found quickly and easily in PDM Studio using the quick search function. The relationships between the 3D model and the drawing are also displayed. This means that the user always knows which documents are linked to each other. We now make a change to the model. This is quick and easy. We call up the model and make the changes. In addition to the geometry, the master data set belonging to the model is also edited. The drawing can then be opened directly from Inventor to make updates or adjustments thereto. A separate search is not necessary. The drawing views and the information in the title block are automatically synchronized with the 3D model, and are therefore always automatically up to date. All changes are saved in PDM Studio. We start the process to release the 3D model and the drawing. This state is then frozen and can only be edited further via a revision. Here, too, we are supported step by step by a wizard. Before approval, we have the opportunity to check all the information again. After release, the documents also receive the corresponding status. At the same time, PDM Studio automatically created a PDF of the drawing. This is made possible by the so-called Automation Designer, which can be used to configure various workflows based on action modules without any programming knowledge. These can then be executed manually or fully automatically based on triggers. The integrated viewer allows the PDF to be viewed or printed. Alternatively, the usual PDF application can of course be used for this purpose. For more information, please visit us on www.pdm-studio.tech/en.